So this is the
zip it all up
piece
and then it will down.
that we're going to want to
So
do.
this
So
is
just come front there just so we can.
Mr. Lance wiped this laptop. I backed up and down my
So
folder.
you're just going to point
That's
to
what
this,
this is. So
just
we're
point in the middle of
just
this thing.
storing
right
that, and
there.
that will have some of the files that we need
And there
to
should be an export option.
get that
Export
program
or
working the way it
DXF.
should.
DXF, yeah. So that's what.
What's
and you
CAD
should
stand
export.
for?
Computer aided design.
We'll find it.
Oh.
So did it export?
I think.
Yeah, but we're doing CAD CAM,
CAD-CAM.
which is computer aided design, computer aided manufacturing, because when we 3D print it, then we're manufacturing.
File here shortly once it gets done. I'm old. Okay, so you just move that there so you can minimize this whole window. And there is a program called Carbide.
Create.
Right there, do this one here.
Every
Okay, so we are going to
known to man except
open
the
up
one
that, so do file. And actually, you can, I'm sorry, you can put that file thing there.
that downloaded. Yep. Stinking.
And do, yep, that's the sections you use. Click on that first one. Yeah, so you download it. It open. Okay, so first thing you'll notice, hold on. This is our work area size, which is smaller than our yard we're trying to cut, so we need to increase our, that's fine. So up here on setup, click on that little setup button there. We need to change our width and our height of that work area. And it's gonna have to be at least, do 17 by 4.5 is fine for the height. I'm sorry, no, 17 is fine, I'm sorry. Let me just see it. And 4.5 is okay for the height, is that, or is it not, okay, so now, oh, that's 15 from here to here, so it's actually, so you need to change the video.